Using alerts is one of the best ways that you can get your viewers involved more in your live streams. Your audience likes to see their name on the screen and feel like they're all a part of the show. New streamers may think it's difficult to set up, but the truth is it's really pretty easy. I'm gonna show you today. Hello my YouTube friends! Today I'm gonna walk you through how to set up your alerts for your live streams no matter which platform that you happen to stream on. To do that, we're gonna use a free service called Stream Elements. There's a link in the description so you can check it out. It's really not that hard, so you know what? Let's get to it! So right here we are on the Stream Elements page, and if it's your first time, you're going to click Sign Up, and you're going to select the platform that you want to stream on. Now once you click on here, it's going to connect to one of those accounts, be it Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, and basically it has to do that in order for it to connect to the API of the platform, so it knows when you get a follower or a subscriber or whatever your platform uses to send the alerts. So you're going to have to obviously connect with the platform that you want to stream to in order for this to work. So just keep that in mind. Once you're connected in, it's going to bring you to your dashboard right here, and you've got an activity feed that will show you that it's actually reading the API and telling you, what exactly happens in your channel. And down here in streaming tools, you've got your overlays and overlay gallery. We're going to cover that in a moment. That is where we're going to set up our alerts. Then you've got your revenue right here, and tipping settings is where you're going to want to go to set up all of your tipping stuff. So if you want to receive donations or whatever on your stream, you're going to have to go in here. First, it starts out on page settings. This is the page that the person will see when they go to leave you a tip. And tip settings is where you're going to input your email for your PayPal or whatever program you plan to use. And then down here, you've got your page settings. So, the minimum amount, what dollars, the maximum amount, suggested amount that's going to be on the page, all that kind of stuff, whether someone can actually leave a message or anything like that. Then you've got your design right here, so you can go ahead and title it and give messages and all that sort of stuff. You can replace the images on the header and the background for your tip page if you'd like. Show the total amount. Then you've got your tip panel set up where this gives you the actual link that people will be able to go to give you your tips. So this is something that you can put in a chat bot, or you can just leave it in the description so people can go and give you a tip. And then you've got your tip moderation, which is relatively straightforward. So if you do this, even if you are not monetized on your platform, you're going to be able to receive donations from the folks that come to your live stream. So this is where you're going to go to set all that stuff up. And you can go into your chat bot and set up chat commands so that it will literally tell the viewers what your donation system is. You see I have a donation one set up, and so it will leave the link right in my chat so that if people want to donate to the stream, they can absolutely do that. So it's nice that it has a built-in chat bot to allow you to do that. You just go into timers and you can set these up right here. You can add a new timer and you just put your information in here, your message and all that kind of stuff. In order to set up our alerts, we're going to go into overlays, and you can see I have a whole bunch of them set up. We're going to show you how to set up a standard overlay. Very, very simple. So we're just going to go to new overlay, and we want to stream at 1080p. So that is the setting that we're going to use. You can go up or down. And when we do this, this square right here that you see is 1080p, so we can zoom out and it'll show you. This is the square that you're going to have on your screen. Right here it's called unnamed overlay. So let's just call it standard alerts. And this one is for YouTube, so we'll put that in there. If you logged in under Facebook or Twitch, you might want to just designate, especially if you multi-stream, you have to kind of set it up in each profile, and we can just click save. And now that's saved. All we have to do is add widgets. Likes and comments are super easy things that you can do to help push this video to a wider audience. So take a second down below and let me know how I'm doing. And while you're there, if you're not subscribed, please do. It really does help me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. So in order to set up our alerts, we can just go here and click on the plus and select our alerts. alert box, or we can go to the add widget, alerts and alert box. And there we go. It shows us our alerts. For YouTube, we're gonna have subscribers, members, super chat, tip alert, and purchase alert if you have a store or something like that. We're not gonna do the store one. We're gonna set up the subscriber, the member, the super chat, and the tip. You can see here is the box for each of the alerts. And they basically already have a standard setup. Let me show you what I mean. If we go here and we just click subscriber event, there we go. You're going to actually physically see the subscriber event. So we already have our alerts set up in the top left-hand corner. We can move them wherever we want. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the audio off on this, but we can do our member alert right here. And you can see what that looks like. We'll do a tip event. And there we go. And a super chat event. We'll do that next. And then we'll pop that up as soon as that's finished. And there we go. So now we've tested all our events. Literally, you don't have to do anything else to add alerts. Those are the standard alerts that you're going to get. All we have to do is come up here and click on save. And then we're going to move on to putting this into OBS. So we're going to want to click this little copy overlay URL right here. Here we are in OBS, and it's really simple. We just have a basic scene with a camera in it. We're going to click the plus. We're going to go to browser. And we're gonna call this alerts, and we're gonna click OK. Now all we have to do is go ahead and paste in that URL that we just copied from the other. There we go. We're gonna change this so it's the same as our stream, 1920 by 1080. And we wanna control the audio via OBS so we get the audio for our alerts. And that is all we need to do. We can refresh the cache for the current page, click OK. Now always remember that things in your sources go above or below. So if I were to put my alerts below my video camera, that means we would never see the alerts because it would be under the actual video camera. I'll show you that in a second when we start testing. So we want to make sure that our alerts are our top thing. Now we could just flip over here to our alerts. We can go ahead and click on emulate, and we'll go to subscriber event, and we'll go over here. And we can see right here our alert goes off. It looks fantastic. It looks perfect. It's exactly what we were looking for. If we move our alert below there and we go and we kick it off, you're gonna see, we'll do a subscriber event, and you will see we don't see anything. We don't see anything. You have to have the alerts on top. If we were to go up into our alerts and we wanted this somewhere else, we can move it over here. And then once you move it, all you have to do is click save right here. We'll go ahead and emulate. We'll do a tip event this time. And when we go back into our thing, you can see that it's moved. As long as you click save, it will just move it. And that is all there is to it. If you're looking for just standard basic alerts, it couldn't possibly get much easier than that. I told you it was pretty easy. If you want to see how easy it is to create your own custom alerts using free software, so you don't have to use the ones that are built in, you should check this video out. Big thanks to the sponsors that support this channel. You can find their links down below in the description under the heading sponsors. I couldn't possibly do this without them or you. So thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.